In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and create forms in Smartsheet. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and how to set up the form so it collects exactly the information you need. Start by heading to smartsheet.com in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, make sure you're in the right workspace or sheet area where you want your form to live. Forms in Smartsheet feed data directly into a sheet, so it's helpful to know which sheet you want to use before you begin. Next, look for the Create button. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see it near the top left of the screen with a plus icon. Click it to open the Creation menu. You'll notice several options here, but for our purposes, choose Form. This tells Smartsheet you want a form interface that will write new submissions as rows into your sheet. After clicking Form, you'll land in the Form Builder where the real setup happens. On the left or right side, you'll see your available fields, which correspond to the columns in your sheet. Drag and drop fields to arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for your submitters. Click a field to customize its label so it's clear and user-friendly, and add a short description if you want to guide people on what to enter. If certain details are mandatory, toggle those fields to required. You can also set default values and add basic validation where available to keep your data clean. If you collect different types of information, consider using drop-downs, checkboxes, dates, or numbers to match the data type of your sheet columns. For longer responses, switch to multi-line text so people have room to write. If your workflow benefits from it, enable attachments or images so submitters can include supporting files right from the form. To make the form easier to scan, group related fields together and use clear, friendly labels. You can personalize the look and feel by adjusting the header, adding a brief introduction at the top, and applying a theme for consistent branding. Use the preview option to see how everything will appear on desktop and mobile. This is a great moment to check spacing, verify required fields, and confirm the order flows logically. When you're happy with this setup, give the form a descriptive name that matches its purpose and save your changes. That's it. You've successfully found the Form tool in Smartsheet and customized a form that's ready to start capturing structured, reliable data into your sheet.